Hi, and welcome to my channel, Retro Rides Rendezvous. My name is Larry, and today we're going to put Lakes pipes on my 1951 Ford. Here you see one side of the Lakes pipes that I'll be installing. I will not be installing these to the exhaust, they'll be fake ones. But before we get started, we need to address the controversy of, do we call these lake pipes or lakes pipes? As you can see, I did some research and found these old advertisings in a hot rod magazine from the 50s, and it calls them lakes pipes. So that's what we'll call them. Here you see the lakes pipes in the position about where I would like them to be. I want them to be tight against the car. I just like to look better that way. The kit comes with these stainless brackets, which I'll be using, but you still need to make some sort of bracket to attach it to the car. So what I'm going to use is some 3/4 inch aluminum that I had just laying around here, and I'm going to thread both sides of it and make them the right length so that it'll drop down to those brackets you saw earlier. You'll see the picture later when it's installed. But here I am starting to drill them out. This is an old lathe I just picked up. I need to rebuild it. Obviously I don't know how to use it, but I'll get there, and I think it'll come in useful for future projects. And here I am tapping the aluminum rods that we'll be using to mount the lakes pipes on the lathe manually, just so that I make sure that it's going in straight. And here's how I'm going to use these. As you can see, both ends are threaded, and it's the right size to drop down this bracket from the floorboard. And so one end will mount to this bracket, and the other end will mount through the floorboard to hold up the lakes pipes. If I was going to actually hook up the pipes, I would probably use some sort of grommet in there to make sure that the heat wouldn't radiate to the floorboards. But because I'm not, I'm just going to go straight with them. Okay, so here's how the mounting bracket looks and how it holds up the bracket and the lake pipe. As you can see, I got a little work to do underneath the car, cleaning it up, but at least the lake pipes are on. I like how they look on the road. They are a little bit bouncy due to the mounts, so I may have to go in and work on the mounting a little bit more depending on what happens in the future, but for now I'm just going to drive it. And thanks for watching.